Can your dam supply good clean water all year round? When did you last do any maintenance on your dam? Do an on-site assessment at least once a year. The best time is after the first heavy rainfall. Identifying and addressing problems early will greatly reduce the risk of dam failure. Regular dam maintenance can save a lot of time, inconvenience and money later on. The best way to assess your dam is to get out of the ute and take the time to walk around and see what is really going on. As a landowner, you are legally responsible for the maintenance of your dam. Your dam, your responsibility. Getting to know your dam and how to care for it will benefit you well into the future. The first thing we will check is the spillway, the area where surplus water flows once the dam has reached full storage capacity. It needs to be a minimum of 3 metres wide and flat in cross-section. This shallow watercourse slows the overflowing dam water by dispersing it over a wide area. Controlling and redirecting the flow reduces the risk of erosion downstream. The edges of the spillway are grass-covered batters. It needs to be covered with grass but kept short. Grazing or strategic slashing can help to keep the grass down. Your spillway needs to be kept free of debris. Remove logs, sticks, tussocks or long grass or anything else that could impede the flow of excess water. Failing to remove debris from your spillway can reduce the freeboard height of your dam. Freeboard is the height of bank between the full supply water level and the top of the dam bank. Minimum height should be no less than 600 millimetres and ideally 1 metre. Using a straight edge helps to accurately measure your freeboard. A dam with insufficient freeboard could be holding more water than it is safely designed to do. This increases the risk of damage to a dam wall and uncontrolled overflow. Dams with larger catchments need to withstand higher volumes of water. The general rule is the bigger the catchment, the bigger the freeboard. Bank settlement is natural over time. Stock can wear tracks across the bank and lower the freeboard in that section of wall. Wide crest dams will grow good grass cover so livestock can move over them without impacting on the integrity of the wall. Stock tracks can be managed by installing a pipeline to a stock trough downstream. Seepage can lead to major dam failure if not detected and rectified. Look for telltale signs of seepage. Wet spots on the outer batter indicate minor seepage, particularly if green grass is evident. Visible puddles or streaming water are warning signs of more serious issues. You can use a soil probe around these areas to get a better idea of how much the area is affected by seepage. So now you know what to look for. If it threatens the spillway, freeboard or dam wall, you will need to do something about it. Contact Agriculture Victoria 136186 for further information.